let's say it wasn't intentionally meant to be racist. If a racist is around or has a bored ape, they'll have a lot of fun with it. So, I just don't like the mascot of Web3 being something that triggers the community.
I remember you was conflicted, misusing your influence. Sometimes I did the same, abusing my power full of resentment that turned into a deep depression. Found myself screaming in the hotel room. I didn't want to self-destruct. The evils of Lucy was all around me. So I went running for answers.
Becoming aware is a very dangerous thing because it makes you responsible. The test is, once you're aware, what do you do? If you can make a lot of money by triggering the people, your culture, will you still do it once you're conscious? Even though it doesn't bother you, it bothers others. Even though you didn't realize it at that time. Now is the question is what you do now that you're enlightened.